Morse code has been used to communicate since the early 19th century by both civilians and the military. But in more recent years, Morse code has taken a new life in helping individuals with a variety of disabilities communicate. Companies including Google and Samsung have worked to develop keyboards, apps, and software to help these individuals communicate. Morse code has been shown helpful for a variety of people. One group in particular is individuals with visual impairments. In 2015, over 4 million individuals in the United States had a significant visual impairment, and this value is expected to double by 2050.
Over the past 10 months, our research team has been working to develop the user interface of Morse code. To begin this research, we set out to answer the question, how long does it take someone to learn Morse code? All participants were set up to learn Morse code daily through the Google Morse Code Trainer. The Google Morse Code Trainer uses auditory feedback and visual memory cues to teach participants individual letters. Participants went through the alphabet daily for 10 days. Following their daily training, participants were asked to take a 1-minute typing test 3 times. The Morse code Google keyboard on their smartphones were used to type. Researchers kept record of each participant's average accuracy and average keystrokes. The goal of this training period was to establish a timeline. This timeline demonstrates the expected rate that an individual learns Morse code. These sample graphs from 3 research participants show that the average keystrokes per minute that someone learning Morse code increases steadily, followed by a plateau. The future direction of our research is to test a new interface of Morse code that we call gesture Morse code. Traditional Morse code keyboards have 2 buttons, dot and dash. Specific codes are required for space, backspace, enter, and shift in addition to letters and numbers. Google Morse code removes the need for knowing these codes by including multiple buttons for space, backspace, enter, and shift. Gesture Morse code, however, would remove the need for space, backspace, shift, and enter buttons on a device. The user would swipe on the device to input specific keyboard functions. We hypothesized that this interface would remove the need for visual input and increase the speed in which someone could type using Morse code.